Hi guys, welcome back to the Rec Trends channel. For the 2022 model year, Nissan thoroughly updated the Frontier truck. The upgrade brought the pickup, which had been dormant in the lineup for more than 15 years, on par with its rivals. The beginning price of the 2023 Frontier will be somewhat more than it was, at $30,485, including the $1,295 destination fee. The price of the 2022 Frontier was $29,985. A Midnight Edition bundle is new for 2023. This will be made available by Nissan on SV Crew Cab vehicles, and the pack includes a black bumper and grille, 17-inch alloy wheels that have been painted black, black outside mirrors, and black external badging. LED fog lights, headlights, and taillights were also installed on the vehicle. Black accents may be seen inside, as well as a black headliner. It adds on $1,790 to the price. The SV Convenience Package will come as standard equipment on long-wheelbase SV Crew Cab Frontiers. With this, heated front seats, a spray-in bed liner, under-rail bed lights, and a heated steering wheel are included. While Nissan modified the Pro Premium option to replace the black inside stitching with lava red, the Frontier Pro X and Pro 4X versions now come standard with wireless Apple CarPlay. The truck's current engine debuted in the previous generation model, even though Nissan upgraded the Frontier for 2022. It has a 3.8-liter V6 engine that generates 281 pound-feet, 391 newton-meters of torque in addition to 310 horsepower, 231 kilowatts of power. The 2023 Nissan Frontier is now on sale. It has a brand new, tougher-looking body and a contemporary interior with an 8.0-inch touchscreen display as standard equipment. Although the modest price rise is inconvenient, Nissan is not the only carmaker to change prices annually. Thank you for watching.